Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to move list icon on hover in Elementor WordPress. So we are using list icon in menu. Now you see. So when we hover on it, we are going to move list icon position to right side or left side or top or bottom by using custom CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using mega menu and we are using list icon in mega menu. Now go to mega menu. Now you see icon list. So we are in advanced and then you see we added CSS ID move menu. So you can add CSS ID name according to requirement and then click on publish. So after that go to customize section and we are in additional CSS and then we are going to add custom CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see CSS ID move menu and then you see list A and then you see transition transform 0.5 second ease in and then you see again CSS ID li a colon hover and then you see transform translateX 5 pixel. Now you see when we hover on it, list icon move. If you want to move on y axis on top or bottom, then you can add translate y and then you can add 5 pixel or minus 5 pixel. And if you want to move on right position or left position, then you can use 5 pixel or minus 5 pixel. If you want, you can use 10 pixel, 20 pixel, so it's up to you. And then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now hover on it and then you see mega menu and we are using list icon in mega menu. Now you see when we hover on it, position move. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.